Managing a website is not always easy. Sometimes your website becomes slow, your server has problems, or you don't know why something is not working. If you are not a server expert, solving these issues can be difficult. That's why Cloudways introduced its AI Copilot. It's an AI powered assistant that helps you to monitor your server and find the problems early and suggest ways to improve performance. But is it actually useful? In this video, we will take a look at Cloudways Copilot, its features, and whether it is worth using. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software to grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the links in the description to learn more about Cloudways and its latest offers. By using the description links, any available discounts or promotion will be applied automatically. Now, let's get into main part of today's video. First, let's talk about what Cloudways Copilot is. Cloudways Copilot is an AI-powered feature built into the Cloudways hosting platform. Its job is to monitor your server and website, look for possible problems, and help you keep everything running smoothly. Instead of checking everything manually, the AI keeps an eye on your server all the time. One of its best features is smart monitoring. Cloudways Copilot watches your server's performance and looks for unusual activity. If it finds something that may affect your website, it lets you know before it becomes a bigger problem. Another useful feature is AI recommendations. Instead of showing only technical information, Copilot explains what may be causing the issue and suggests ways to improve your server performance. This is very helpful if you are not an experienced developer or system administrator. Now let's talk about the performance. If your website starts using too many server resources, Cloudways Copilot can point out what is happening. It may recommend changes that can improve speed, stability, and overall performance, helping your visitors to enjoy a better experience. Another advantage is proactive alerts. Instead of waiting until your website has serious problems, Copilot sends alerts when it notices something that needs attention. This gives you more time to fix small issues before they affect your visitors. Now, let's talk about who this tool is for. If you are a blogger, a small business owner, Cloudways Copilot can help you understand your server without needing advanced technical knowledge. If you are a freelancer or agency managing several websites, it can help you monitor multiple projects more efficiently and spend less time checking server health manually. And if you are a developer, it can serve as an extra layer of monitoring that helps you to spot issues more quickly. Does it fix the server issues automatically? Cloudways Copilot can automatically monitor your server and provide intelligent recommendations. In some cases, it can help automate certain optimization tasks, but it's important to understand that it does not magically repair every server problem by itself. More complex issues may still require you to review the recommendations or make changes manually. So, what's the final verdict? Cloudways Copilot is a useful addition to the Cloudways platform. It makes server management easier by using AI to monitor performance, send useful alerts, and recommend improvements before the small problems become bigger ones. For many website owners, this can save time and reduce the stress of managing a server. And that brings us to the end of today's review. Hopefully, this video helped you understand Cloudways Copilot offers and whether it's the right tool for your website. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the latest Cloudways offers and resources. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.